Xiaomi sub-brand Poco is unveiling its new smartphone Poco F7 Pro. It is a powerful chipset. Poco F7 Pro has 12 and 16 GB of RAM with 256 and 512 GB of storage. Phone will run on Android 15 operating system. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Poco A7 Pro will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. And to give more power this phone, there will be an octa-core processor. There will be an OLED touchscreen display and 6.67 inches display screen size. And for best graphic results, there will be a GPU of Adreno. And resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. And refresh rate will be 120 Hz. There will be a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel helper, and a 16 megapixel camera on the front. There will be under display optical fingerprint sensor. It will have a 6000 mAh battery with 90 watt fast charging support. That's all for now and thanks for watching.